Hi, this is the new Sony VR headset to be used with the NX Immersive Designer. Today we're going to open it up and take a look at what's inside. Alright, we're going to open it up. There's some instruction box. There's a video tutorial where you can scan the QR code and figure out what's going on and learn through the video. Ooh, look at this thing. What's inside here? Okay. So you got the unpacking instruction on how to unpack and do all this. Obviously, I'm going to ignore all of this and just unpack it and see what happens. Alright, now we're going to try to pull this thing out of the box carefully. There we go. That's what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Here you have the headset itself. Over here you have the extra eyepiece with the, I guess, external light block on the side. Alright, so let's take a look at this headset. This eyepiece rotates up and down, and before we saw that little piece, took me a minute to figure out how to install this. First I thought it was going to go on top, but nope, you basically just pull this piece out and replace it with the other piece. And basically this piece has, I guess, the light block control over here, so if you're looking at it and there's a lot of light, you can block out the lights. So that's how you do it. Pretty cool. So now let's take a look at how we adjust the headset. So you saw before that this thing rotates up and down. There's a little knob back here you can turn to kind of adjust how far back and forth. There's a little bit Velcro piece up here. You can make adjustment up there also. Put it on your head. I have a pretty big head, so there we go. Guess that's how you do it. How do you make adjustment to this headpiece? You basically, there's a button down here. Click on that button and kind of slide it in and out, right? So if you have glasses or you need to make adjustment to move them out the eyepiece, you can go ahead and do that. And you can also control the eyepieces, how far or how far apart they are, how close they are, just to meet your own personal needs. You can just simply slide them in and out like that. You also have all the cables in here. The side of the clamshell, you open it up, you have the dominant hand controller, a ring controller, and it also comes with a cable clamp in case you need to manage your cable once you have the headset set up. So you're supposed to hold a controller like this in your dominant hand, use it like a virtual mouse. Then this is supposed to clamp it onto your non-dominant hand, so you can use this to click and do whatever you need to do. So this is how you actually use the controller. Obviously, if you're a left-hander, you switch things around. Alright, so let's pull out what's underneath here. Looks like the charger and where you hook up all the cables to the power, VR headset, and the controller. So here we have the charger, and you just see those little 3 dots down there. Just want to make sure you line it up, and it kind of basically magnetically snaps in. It's kind of cool. And then the ring, same thing. There's 3 little metal contacts down there. You just want to make sure you line up with the contacts back there. And that's how you actually put these controller and the ring controller on the charger. Alright, so that's everything that came out of the box. There's a video out there that Siemens made. That's a very nice video about how to actually set it up, hook it up to your computer, and get everything you know, activated. We're not going to go through that in that video. Mainly just want to show you what came in the box with the Sony VR headset for use with NX Immersive Designer. So we're going to put everything back there. Nice and neat. Back to its box. Zip it all up. And there you have it, a quick unboxing of the Sony VR headset to be used with NX Immersive Designer from Siemens.